What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine sushi on any computer or laptop. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. For mining sushi, you need fast internet connection and a sushi wallet address. So in here, follow till the end of video and learn how to mine sushi step by step on your Windows operating system or on your laptop. So in here, I will open the browser. Before navigating to the mining process, navigate to IntoCrypto, check out the videos about mining tutorials, Binance tutorials and other kind reviews. Follow our channel because every day we are uploading different kinds of videos through this channel. So here open up a new tab and type unmineable.com. Unmineable.com is a tool which you can mine some mineable and some non-mineable coins and tokens. So here you can see sushi is listed here. So follow till the end and learn how to mine sushi. Here I will minimize the window. Right click on the desktop and create a new folder and type it sushi. Once you have created the folder, open up the Windows security. Click on the virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on the manage settings. Here click on add or remove exclusions. Click on add an exclusion, select the folder. Select the sushi folder which I have created. And now you can see that sushi folder is successfully excluded with the Windows security. Why we are excluding this? Because third-party softwares including miner are a threat or harmful for the Windows operating system. In this case, if you are using any antivirus, automatically the software will be deleted by the antivirus. So we are excluding and we keep the folder safe, that we should directly download the software to the folder. So here I will close the Windows security. Now go back to the unmineable.com. Here click on the download option. Right click on this. You can save the link as or you can download with any download manager. So in this case I'm using IDM, so I will download it with the IDM. Click on this three dot. Select the desktop, select the sushi folder and click on save and start download. The official size of the unmineable miner is around 50 MB, so it may take some time. Wait for it until it should be downloaded to the folder. So once the unmineable miner is successfully downloaded, click on the open folder. Here right click on this and extract here. Once the unmineable miner successfully extracted, double click to open it. Here is the unmineable. The fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite non-mineable and some mineable coins. So click on the continue. Here you can select your mining hardware. If your computer is having good graphic card, so you can select CPU. If it doesn't have, so you can continue with the CPU. Here I will continue it with the CPU. Here you have to select your token. I will type sushi. Select the token. Here you have to enter your wallet address. So you can use your trust wallet, any exchange that you are currently using and trading cryptocurrency on that. So in this case, I will provide you the link of the trust wallet, how to download and install the trust wallet on your Windows PC. You can check the description. And right now I will use my Binance. Here I will go to the Binance. Here search for the coin and here is the address. Copy this and paste it here. So once you have pasted the address, so click on the start to start mining sushi. Right now we are on the main window of the mining. Here you can check out the last 24-hour reward, the total paid, the last payment now, and here is the payouts from 7.4 sushi. So you can check out the sushi price on the CoinMarketCap or in the CoinGecko. If you want to bring changes to the setting, click on this option. Here you can select your mining intensity, like there is low, high or custom. Here you can set a custom worker name, you can set a custom referral link. If you want to bring changes, so simply click on save and restart. Here I've already selected the high option, so there is no need to set any custom setting for this. Here I will cancel it. You can see the hash rate is over 600, so it's perfectly mining sushi on the laptop that currently I'm using. If you want to check the status of the mining, click on this option to open the unmineable.com. Here you can check this box auto pay every 12 hours whenever the balance is over 7.4 sushi. Here you can check your workers, the payments, the referral code. Here is a good feature about good program they have about the referral code. If you should share your referral code with your friends, Once they have started mining, you can earn 0.25% of the mining referral reward. So guys, as you can see that the Sushi is perfectly mining on the laptop that currently I'm using. I'm recommending you to use your gaming PC, or you have a good mining rig, you can use the unmineable miner. Unmineable miner is completely a free and legit tool that you can mine different cryptocurrencies. So guys, this is the way how you can mine Sushi on your laptop. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I'll catch you in the next one.